Hi everybody. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on Prezi. To get started, we're going to go to the Prezi website, which I'm already there, and it's www.prezi.com or https://prezi.com. This is the startup screen that you'll see when you start with Prezi. You'll want to log in or get started. If you have an account, you can log in, but if you don't have an account, you'll want to get started. I'm going to log in because I've already created an account. So it'll take you to the page, the login page. Sign up is if you don't have an account. I'm going to log in with Facebook, or you have an option to log in with LinkedIn, or you can put in your email and your password. So I'm going to log in with Facebook because I've already done it that way earlier. So then it's going to take you to the Prezi creation screen. That's what I call it, the creation screen. Um, Once that little wheel stops spinning, there we go. So it'll take you to the creation screen. As you can see, I've kind of played around with the Prezi a little bit. You can open up different templates to use, or you can create a new Prezi. Let's start with create a new Prezi. That way I can show you guys how it works from the beginning. Um, so once it opens, it's going to open up a brand new screen. The little Prezi logo will pop up like it's the little spinny wheel. It'll light up and then it'll open up the screen. So we'll give it a few minutes. Not minutes, a few seconds. um, yep. So as we're waiting, Prezi is a presentation tool that can be used to engage people in different subjects. It's got, a lot of bells and whistles to it so that it makes for a more interesting presentation and it engages your audience a little more. Um, I've never actually used Prezi. It's always been a little intimidating to me, but we're going to give it a try. I was interested to learn more about it. So, okay, so here's a template page. You're going to open up a template. You can change things after, you get in there. So I'm just going to open up a simple one, which is clockwork. You click on it and then you click use template, or you can start with a blank template too, which is right here. We're going to wait for it to open it up. Open up the template. So when you open up a template, this is what it look like. The little circles are called frames, and these are the frames up here. You can change the frames. You don't have to stick with a circle. If you want to add a new frame, you just click on that and you see pop, pop, pop. It added a new frame. You can change the frame. If you click on this little button right here, you can change the color of the frame. Let's change this one to pink. That way you can see what it does. Here is where it actually changes the frame. You can do an invisible frame. You can do a bracket, or you can do a rectangle, which is supposed to be a rectangle, but that's a square. But you can do that. That's how you add one. So if you wanted to add text to it, you click on add text and you type in there. I'm just going to type hello. I can spell here. And you can add whatever content you want to add to it. You click on it to move it around. Yep, you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever. Over here is where you'll see your frame, your actual frames. This is what I guess you would call like your slides. So that's one. And hello would be two, frame two. Um, Frame three is empty. You can add a text. You can add a headline. You can change the font. You can change the size. This is for the font. So if I want to do that font, we'll type my name. It's my name. You want to make it bigger. You want to make it smaller. All the functions that you would see in a regular Word document is what you see right here. Like the basic functions. So you can click out of that and it'll be there, and then you can add another text. We'll type my middle name. So, all right, so that's the text. You can insert anything you want, images, symbols, YouTube videos. There's a list of things you can insert. You can change the layout, you can draw an arrow, you can highlight. Let's draw an arrow. So you can draw an arrow, you can move it around, put it where you want to put it at, change the way it is and stuff, you know, there you go. You can change the color of the arrow to make it purple. You can make it bigger, you can make it skinnier. You can add it to your favorite so you can come back and use it later. I'll show you something else in insert. You can insert an image. So it'll pull up like your stuff in your computer. I'll go to my Dropbox and upload an image that I have in my Drop. Let's upload an image of me from back in the day. So you just, you know, how you would upload images any other way, you do it the same way here. And as you can see, it's loading the image. So there's my image that I put in this bubble. You can do it in any bubble. You can also zoom in and out. So there's the zoom in, and here's the zoom out. And that way you can see everything that you have on your page. You can also customize your page. So say you don't like this blue and turquoise, you know what I'm saying? This little box will pop up and you can change the colors. So let's do citrus. And it'll change the color to whatever you want it to be. Or if you want it to do fresh, it'll change the color to fresh. So you can change it to whatever color you want. You can move different things around. These are what will be considered your slides here on the side. You can edit your path. Now the path is like the direction how you want your slides to pop up, how you want your objects to pop up. Just like in a PowerPoint presentation. This is like an upgraded, cool version of PowerPoint presentation. So as you can see, it goes from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. 5 is all the way over here, and I think 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 is over there too. 9 is here, and then 10 is over here. So as you can see, I'm gonna try and, all right, I zoomed in. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can actually see like where the other slides are. So now you can actually see them. That's the box we added earlier. You can change these, like say you don't want 8 right there, you can move 8 over here. Well, it didn't stay. Or say you don't want 4, you can change them. You can add a title. I'm gonna say all about me because I put my name and my picture in there, but that's how that works. And you can just you can add text by clicking onto it. You can change colors, like say you don't like that color, you can change it to a different color. There you go. Now it's pink or whatever color you so choose to desire. So I made the title hello. So that was the title slide. And that one was what was at 1. You can add more frames. So say that you want to be done with this presentation. You go up here and you select how you would like to share your Prezi. So you can do it as a PDF. You can do it as a Facebook. You know, however you want to share your Prezi, you can do that. So let's go to share Prezi, and this little box will pop up here. Here's your link to copy. I copied my link, and you can share it any way you want to. Thank you for joining me in my presentation. I hope it was helpful. It was my first time doing this. Thank you, and you have a good one. Bye.